So you want to improve your financial skills and take control of your money in 2025? Listen, this video is not financial advice. It's for educational purposes only, all right? So listen, if you're struggling to understand money or you feel lost when it comes to saving or investing, you're not alone. Many people want to get better at handling their money, but they don't know where to start. Okay, but don't worry, the right books can change everything for you. All right, so let's get into it. There are some incredible books out there, okay, that are gonna help you to understand money better and to grow your skills fast. So here are a few that are gonna make a big impact in your life, okay? So books about budgeting. These are gonna teach you how to keep track of your money and plan your spending, okay? Then you got books on investing. You gotta learn how to make your money work for you and make smart choices for the future, all right? Then you got books about mindset. These books help you to think positively about money and about wealth, all right? So reading the right books can really help you to feel more confident and ready to take action with your finances. The first book I ever read was Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, and I never forgot it. I understood the difference between assets and liabilities. If you're a beginner, I would start there. I'll give you that one recommendation because if I give you a lot, you're not going to read one. So read that one. I promise your life will change. If you got anything from this video, leave me a like. I love you.